Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Omar. Matric number 1914161 would like to present Project Rehabilitation Centre for Coral. The Rehabilitation Centre is located at Ceruk Paluh Beach, Pahang. The site is located near with the Sea Innocent Research Station and also Kampung Hijrah. The concept that implement into this centre is rectangularity that represents stability of the coral. The rehabilitation centre is integrated with nature surrounding of the site and take the advantages from the site by bringing the nature from outside into inside of the centre. The architectural principles that used for this rehabilitation centre are repetition, symmetry and hierarchy. The design was started with two axes, which are axes from INOSEM that come from southeast and also axes from wind direction that come from northeast. From this, the design take the basic shape from the axis, which is rectangle. Then, to maximize the best view that come from sea, I made the part that facing to sea larger. After that, I do the subtraction in the middle of the shape to add space for vegetation. Next, I divide the space into three zoning, which are private, semi-private and public according to privacy zoning external, and bring that mode into the site. The part that facing to INOSEM direction will become public space. The part that facing to sea, I identify it as semi-private space, and the part that facing to Kampung Hijrah direction as private space. After that, I break the monotonous of rectangularity by making little bit curve at the edges to give some accent to the design of the center. Then, identify the entry. There are three entries which are come from southeast, northeast and southwest. Lastly, I choose linear circulation for this rehabilitation center. From the concept I implement into the site plan. From the site plan, it can be seen that the building is facing to sea to maximize the view of the sea. Beside of the building is have retention point for coral reuse. In this site, it provide 50 parking for car and 5 parking for motorcycle. To access into this site, the visitor or staff can access from road that come from INOSEM that located southeast of the site. From this, it can access to the parking or to drop off space. After that, they can exit from the site through this exit to main road at INOSEM. For loading purposes, it can entry from this road to transfer the loading into the center. Next, for floor plan for this rehabilitation center. From drop off space, the visitor will enter through the lobby in the first floor. From the lobby, they will see the large courtyard in front of them. On the right, they will see the exhibition hall, and on the left, they will see the souvenir shop. Then from the courtyard, they can see the cafe, and from this, they also can see the view of the sea. Beside of the cafe is have coral gardening area that located facing to the north to capture the direct sunlight for coral growth. And beside of gardening area is have loading space for loading purposes. For toilet and musola is located at the middle of the circulation for easy access for staff and visitor. On the second floor, it has space for staff, which are ready area, offices and also lab that can access from staircase near the lobby. Also, on the second floor, it has seminar room that can access from staircase that near with exhibition hall. This the elevation for southeast that we can see the lobby from the outside, and I make it double volume to give welcoming mood. For northeast elevation, we can see the cafe from the outside. For northwest elevation, we can see loading area from the outside. Lastly, this is the elevation from southwest. For section XX, we can see the lab, office, toilet, musola and souvenir shop. For section YY, we can see the office, courtyard and also cafe. This is the view from southeast that we can see the lobby. This is the view towards southwest that we can see full glass at the space for coral gardening to allow more sunlight into the space. And beside that, we can see the loading area. This is the view toward the cafe that I made like kiosk. This is the view toward the exhibition hall. It has space for display and also aquarium for coral. Next, for construction detail. For foundation, I would like to use pie foundation because the site has weak soil condition. For floor, I would like to use concrete floor slab and finish by marble tile. For wall, I would like to use brick wall and finish by plaster. Lastly, for roof, I would like to use concrete roof slab and finish by PVC membrane roof. Next, lighting design strategy for cafe and exhibition hall. For cafe, there are 3 spaces that need the lighting, which are counter, dining table, and also preparation space. For all these spaces, use same method and technique, which are task lighting and suspended lighting. However, each space requires different sufficient illumination. At the cafe, it required 500 lux to able to see the money during transaction happen and easy for customer to read the menu. However, at preparation space, it required 300 to 500 lux for safety purposes during prepare the food. Lastly, at dining table, it's required 200 to 300 lux to able to see food during eating. In this cafe, it has large opening to create relaxing mood during eating by enjoying view of the sea and in the same time to provide energy saving. For the exhibition hall, there are 3 parts that need lighting, which are space for display, circulation area, and also aquarium. For display space is used as lighting by having angle down lighting technique. It required 115 to 300 lux to able to see the information at display area. For circulation, it use recessed lighting that required 100 lux to provide for people to move around in the exhibition without bumping into anything. Lastly, for aquarium part, it used concealed lighting to highlight the beauty of the coral in aquarium. It required 115 to 300 lux. At exhibition, it has large window to allow daylighting to the space for coral need and in same time to create ambience mood in exhibition hall. So this is my model and structure model for this rehabilitation center. That's all from me. Thank you.